Now we have the kneeling cable row with resistance band. Start by kneeling on your right knee, ensuring that your left foot is flat on the ground in front of you for stability. Hold the resistance band with both hands at shoulder height. As you exhale, pull the band toward your upper chest or collarbone. Keep your elbows away from your body, allowing them to form a 90-degree angle at the midpoint of the pull. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together as you engage your upper back muscles. Maintain a straight back throughout the movement, avoiding any leaning forward or backward. Inhale as you slowly return to the starting position, controlling the resistance. This exercise effectively targets your upper back, shoulders, and arms, while also engaging your core for stability. Perform 10 to 15 reps on this side before switching to the other knee. To maximize effectiveness, consider varying your grip or resistance level, but always prioritize form over weight. Keep your core engaged to support your lower back during the exercise. Keep going, and see you in the next exercise.